Hey everybody, welcome back to H&H TV. We're going to do a follow-up video here on talking about glass setting channel. We did a video here a few weeks ago about that and different types that we offer. And then we had a question about somebody wanting to know, well, how does it actually work? Can you show us? So what I did is I've grabbed, this is a four-door sedan, Tri-5 front door glass. This will be four-door sedan, four-door station wagon. And then this is the glass setting channel that goes on the bottom. Now you will find a lot of glass shops, all they're going to do is they're just going to glue that back on, but originally this was held on by the glass setting tape. So what I did is I grabbed, this is our part number 3717. This is the universal glass setting tape that we sell from Precision. And I'm not going to go ahead and cut it to length, but I just want to give you an idea of what we do. So first thing you want to do is take it and basically fold that in half lengthwise. Doesn't have to be perfect. You would already have cut this to length, to fit whatever we're going to fit in. And then you want to install that down into that channel like so. And then take it and squirt yourself a little bit of Windex. You can use other products. There's official glass assembly lubrication out there, but I like to use Windex, and the reason I like to use a Windex or a glass cleaner product, doesn't have to be Windex, is that will evaporate off eventually. So once you get that done, which we're not actually doing that here, but just giving you an idea, then you're going to slip that over and again, this works a little better when you got a little lubrication, but I'm trying to be able to reuse a product here eventually. Anyway, you're going to slide that down over like so, and it's going to be tight when you do this. And then you're going to take a rubber mallet. In a pinch, you could use one of these, but again, you're talking force and you're talking glass, so I like to use a rubber mallet. And then you're just going to work your way down that back and forth, and you can see the back end's going down real easy. I haven't got the front just seated like I should, but you can see that goes down on there. And what's going to happen is that's going to evaporate out. So once you get that assembled and you're done, walk away from it, leave it for a day or two, let this evaporate out, and then come back with a sharp razor blade, and you can see how this excess right here is kind of sticking out. It's going to get even more when you get it all the way seated down there. Then you want to trim that off with a razor blade. A lot of times, honestly, I'll wait until I get it in the car before I'm going to trim that off, just in case I got an issue. That way, if I got to pull it back apart, I'm not wasting a set here on getting it just right. So, great way to do it. Again, the Windex works really good. Again, there's some official products out there I'm sure the glass guys have got. I like to use that because it evaporates away. So that's how you do it. And then once that's done, another way you can do this if you absolutely have to, you can actually install this in the car. It's a little more difficult, but you can once you got everything installed, put the glass in there and then just roll it up. Let it bottom out all the way. You come down, back and forth a few times and get it, and it will actually do the same thing I'm doing with this mallet. I just like to do it out here. That way I can put it all together, especially if you've got like a hardtop or a convertible where you've got a chrome frame around it, then you got to do it out on the bench. But like a sedan or a pickup truck or something like that, you can do this even in the vehicle. I've done it. So it's very possible. But that's how you put it all together. Thanks for watching H&H TV.